Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving, we're going to do a Thanksgiving-inspired Mai Tai.
I'm super excited about this.
This is going to be really good. This is going to be really good.
I love fall, I love Thanksgiving, and I love Mai Tai, so I can't wait.
And it has your favorite ingredient in it.
Yeah.
All right. We will start. Oh, no, we're not going to start because we're going to do this one the right way. Non-liquor ingredients first.
Mm-hmm.
So we are making 2 of these, so we will do, you get to do it.
Oopsie.
1 ounce of lime juice. So like half of one of these limes is probably an ounce a piece. Next, we are going to do 1 ounce of orange liqueur. So we're going to do 2.
There we go. Okay.
After that, 1 ounce of my homemade walnut orgeat.
It's so good. So 2?
Yes, just under 2 actually.
I don't like a 2. I think the last time we took the top off of this, it was a little easier. There we go.
Delicious. After that, 1/2 ounce of Nicole's favorite velvet Falernum.
So 1/2 ounce. 1. We talked about this before, but it smells like Christmas. It's so good.
And then from there, to top it all off, Chairman's Reserve Original, 2 ounces.
So just 2?
4 ounces.
4. Got that. I've been waiting all day for this.
Perfect.
Something else?
Nothing else. And we have ice already in our glasses because we're using our mugs today.
It's gonna be good. Oh, my God.
Keep going. It's not frosty yet. Keep going. That's good.
I didn't do the lime thing today, but you know,
Those,
it's
yeah.
fine.
Shake and clean pour over your ice. I have no idea how much is going in each one of these.
It's okay. Oh, we're going. Keep going. Oh, it's pretty full. Keep going. There we go. Oh, I think we might have a little too much. All right.
A little shooter left over. All right.
There you go.
And to top, there it is. Should we get this there?
Fire! All right. Got some dried orange just to make it a little bit prettier. And then we'll stick that cinnamon down in there. And whoops, it's floating. It's floating. There we go.
Look at that.
That's good.
It's really smoking.
Here's the... Okay. It's fine. Oops. There we go. It's the first time we did this one, you guys. So you're learning right along with this. There, wiggle it in. All right.
Here is the Thanksgiving Mai Tai.
Super excited about this.
Stop it.
Yeah. I think mine's not going that good. I think I want a little more on mine. Hit it. Yeah. That's good.
I get that edge. Ooh. That was cool.
Yeah. All right. Ah! That's good. It smells amazing in here right now. Okay.
Yeah, it smells.
So, that's it. It took a minute. You're right along with us. First time we've ever done it, but this is fun. I mean,
Christmas fire.
Yeah, it's fun to look at.
You're serving these to some guests.
definitely. Easy.
Turn off the smoke alarms beforehand.
It smells so good in here right now.
It's fantastic.
Okay, let's try it.
Cheers.
Wow. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. It really is. Wow. All right. You go first because I have a couple of things I want to say about it.
Definitely have the oranginess. I think we could use a little bit more orgeat, but probably not because it's
too
probably pretty fine. It'll be too much. Like the Worthy Park kind of rolls in at the end. We've got like all that variation in that rum. That's really good. You can really feel it.
I kind of feel like it needs a little float of something. And I'm kind of like wanting something a little more special.
You don't want Whalers?
No.
All we have for darks are Trader Vic's and Whalers right now.
I'll do Whalers, I guess. I was eyeballing something else, but anyway.
What were you eyeballing?
I don't know. It wasn't really dark. It was just something to add. Oh. But I just think a little teeny extra on the top is what it needs. So let's just do that.
Okay. Get t-shirts for you that say, this Mai Tai needs a float.
Yeah. Hey, that's a good idea. All right. So to me, it tastes very fall forward. I can taste the black walnut. I can get the Falernum with all those spicy notes on that. The orange, you know, that's a holiday, Christmas and Thanksgiving. You need that. I get every layer of it. And I think that olfactory wise, you know, everything as you're taking a sip, you're getting the cinnamon smoke, you're getting everything at one time. But it's kind of separated in a weird way, but it tastes really good. Really good.
It's
very festive.
It's different from a lot of Mai Tais because like normally, like especially the Trader Vic's, right? You get like the rolling of flavors. You get the lime, you get the orange, you get the almond from the orgeat, and then you get the rum, whatever variations those are. But this is more complex. It like hits you all at once with a whole bunch of flavor, and then you just gotta kind of zigzag around. Like there's a little orange, and there's some spice I don't know, and there's maybe a little lime, and then like this rum really like kind of tingles off on like the flavor on the end. It's real mild. Could probably do something a little more punchy for it, but then I think it might be too much because we've got so many flavors going on in here.
Well, because you don't want to fight with the Falernum. I like being able to experience that, and it's funny too because you could put that Falernum in different tiki drinks, including a Mai Tai, obviously, and it changes everything. Yet you still get that delicious. You just feel like you're drinking Christmas in a glass, you know. And it's weird because, I mean, you're having it with lime and everything, but it works and it's so good. I just really like it with the burning. It just, to me, it's adding to the complexity of the drink, and I really like it. I love the olfactory stuff. I saw the first time I saw the cinnamon stick was Last Rites, the drink Last Rites at Last Rites, and I was just wowed by it. So like in a bar situation, or if you want to impress your friends, light it up. Smoking cinnamon sticks are good. And what I found with those, again, is the Mexican grocery. Cinnamon sticks tend to be, like, it's not wound as tight. Yeah. Like if you go to like a regular American grocery store. So they'll take that heat and really, they're bigger, really but burn they're also very woody. Yeah, they're very loosely wound. So they'll just kind of kick off. And I mean, if we made 6 of these, we had a group of people. Oh, that'd be great. Because it's like having a little bonfire. Yeah. But also, I dried up these tangerines a while ago, and it's fun, you know? I mean, I think in a different glass, too, you can kind of set it up and make a little more of a presentation, but it's kind of fun just to throw that in there and have it, because as it goes back from being so dehydrated and the hydration comes back in, you kind of get a little bit of a hint off of that, too. Yeah. So it kind of all works all together. So what do we think? As a Mai Tai.
Oh, well, I mean, it's a 5 for me.
I say a 5 as well. 5.
It's really good, and
Yeah.
it's a little different. There's only one added ingredient into it. You go through, play with it. Let us know how you kind of mix some of this up. If you tried like dry curacao or different types of rum or anything with this, but like just that little bit of Falernum is really the only add.
Well,
and the walnut orgeat. So
yeah, the walnut I think is
it's
really helping.
It's nice and crisp. I just want to sit in front of a fire with this, you know.
That one right over there.
Right?
I think we might have to do that.
Find some snow and sit in front of a fire and
yeah,
get shmammered
I like
on
it.
Mai Tais. It's
5.
good.
5 Mai Tais for sure. As a cocktail,
5.
let's say 5 as well. I think this would be fun to serve at Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it goes down way too easy. I think I'm almost already done with mine. It's good. It's really good.
Savoring it.
5 on both of them. Yeah.
We are celebrating our 1-week anniversary. We just got married last Saturday. So, yay us. Yay. All right.
I'm wearing my silicone today
It's
because
okay.
I was working on the car.
He's working on the car. He's wearing a silicone. But yeah, we just got married last Saturday and it was the most wonderful day. So
It was fantastic.
Cheers to marriage.
Cheers to us.
All right, baby.
Mm.
Like, subscribe.
Comment. Tell your friends. We're like at a turning point right now on subscription. So please go down and hit that subscribe video. Even if this is our subscribe, even if this is the only video you watch,
Yeah,
please
it
just do
helps
that
the
to us.
channel.
It'll help us out.
It helps us. We're doing this for fun, but it's also nice to see people that are supportive.
And enjoy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.